Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're at trustedshopingguide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two espresso machine brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Breville Espresso Machine and the De'Longhi Espresso Machine. For a coffee enthusiast, an espresso machine is a must-have as it enables them to indulge in their favorite hot beverages in the comfort of their home. There are numerous types of coffee makers in the market offering different levels of control over the brewing process. However, not all of them are made equal, which is why it can be a challenge to choose the one that'll give you the most bang for your buck. So that you can choose the best one for you, we have picked two of the strong competitors going head-to-head. The Breville Espresso Machine, which has earned 4 badges from our team at trustedshopingguide.com, and the De'Longhi Espresso Machine, the TSG newcomer. At the end of this video, we'll be crowning who comes out on top, so don't miss out on today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other espresso machines that we've reviewed, do check out our espresso machine review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these two espresso machines will be going toe-to-toe with is their size, weight, and ease of storage. Before buying an espresso maker, you'd want to consider the size and weight. This defines its ease of storage since a large coffee maker would be more difficult to store safely compared to a more compact one. The Breville measures 12.5 by 12.6 by 13.1 inches and weighs 23 pounds. Its opponent, the De'Longhi, has dimensions of 11 by 15.3 by 14.4 inches and weighs 23.1 pounds. Both our competitors are full-sized compact machines. While they are almost the same in size and weight and can be easily placed on the countertop, the Breville is just a tad lighter and more compact. Having said that, we will be giving the point to Breville for this round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their grinding ability. There are two types of grinding when it comes to espresso machines, a built-in grinder and a separate grinder. Of course, the ones with a built-in grinder will definitely be more advantageous because it gives you everything you need in a single machine. The Breville has a built-in grinder and features an innovative grinding cradle that allows you to grind directly into the espresso portafilter for the perfect blend. The De'Longhi, on the other hand, comes with 13 adjustable settings that allow you to grind fresh beans every time for maximum freshness. You also have the option to use pre-ground in the second chamber. The De'Longhi is obviously the superior of the two, with 13 settings plus a pre-ground chamber. This is why this round undoubtedly goes to De'Longhi. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of use. Of course, you will always want something that is easy to use and understand. Espresso makers within the more automated category are the usual choices because they come with programmable settings that save time and energy. In addition, when choosing an espresso maker, you may want to check to see whether it has all the buttons and other functions you need before making a final decision. The Breville features a dial that enables you to take control over the grind size of any type of bean. The digital temperature control delivers water at the optimal temperature, which ensures the perfect espresso extraction. Lastly, its low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start of the process, ensuring that all flavors are evenly drawn out during extraction for a perfectly balanced taste. Meanwhile, the De'Longhi features an easy-to-use control panel. You can simply adjust the menu settings for its temperature, coffee strength, and cup size based on your preference. Its rapid cappuccino system maintains the best temperature so that you can brew cup after cup in an instant. It is also worth noting that you can design your ideal espresso and cappuccino by programming it according to your preference. The machine remembers the details such as your preferred size beverage, strength, and much more. This was a tight match, but the De'Longhi has a wider range of features while offering a more user-friendly control panel. Once again, De'Longhi comes out as the victor. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of cleaning. You'll definitely want a coffee machine that is easy to disassemble, reassemble, and clean, especially for people who don't have a lot of time on their hands. The Breville features an automated cleaning cycle to clean the insides of the group head and also includes tools to clean out the filters. In addition, it also alerts you when it needs to be descaled and cleaned. Its opponent, De'Longhi, is not only easy to clean, but it also self-adjusts for 1 or 2 shots of espresso. It features a removable water tank and drip tray as well as used espresso grounds that are front accessible for easy cleanup. Just like its competition, the De'Longhi has indicators that tell you when it's time to clean the machine and all of its parts are dishwasher safe. Our team has concluded that both the De'Longhi and Breville have their own unique features when it comes to cleaning and maintenance. Since they are both evenly matched in this category, we have decided to give each one of them a point. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their frothing capability. Most espresso machines are capable of making espresso-based drinks such as lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. If you're fond of these types of brews, it is a no-brainer that you'll get an espresso machine that comes with a frother. In this category, both Breville and De'Longhi have frothers that deliver microform milk. With both of them having virtually the same functions in this category, we will be giving each one of them 1 point yet again. It is now time for us to decide the winner of today's brand wars between the Breville Espresso Machine and the De'Longhi Espresso Machine. This was a really tight match, but the newcomer De'Longhi comes out with 4 points, just 1 point ahead of Breville. For that, we are proud to present you the winner in today's video, the De'Longhi Espresso Machine. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Breville Espresso Machine and the De'Longhi Espresso Machine has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Espresso Machine face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.